The peptide-based supramolecular hydrogels are used for delivery of biologics and other medical means. The advantage of these peptide gels are their ability for self-assembly, their viscosity, and because of their viscosity, the idea was to use them also to produce hemostasis. And in addition, the biocompatibility of these agents and their easy biodegradability makes them interesting options for use in GI endoscopy, especially during hemostasis, but also for tissue regeneration purposes. So the current agent that's a self-assembly peptide is a Purastat. This is biocompatible, biodegradable, it's synthetic, it has a viscous characteristic as mentioned before. The beauty is about its transparency. One can see through it when it's applied on the wound.